Good morning, students. So, welcome once again in social science class. We are studying geography, and in geography, we are discussing chapter natural vegetation and wildlife. कि natural vegetation क्या होती है and wildlife क्या होती है. So, we are discussing about different types of forest. जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स का फॉरेस्ट हैं, कहाँ कहाँ पाए जाते हैं, व्हाट आर देयर नेम्स, व्हाट आर देयर स्पेसिफिकेशंस. सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट के बारे में हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था. नाउ वी विल मूव टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. ओके, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट के बारे में डिस्कस कर लिया था. नाउ वी विल मूव टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट. So one thing here you can see, one thing is common, that is tropical. So as these tropical rainforests, or we can say tropical evergreen forests, are found in the area of tropical region, in the same manner tropical deciduous forests, these are found also in the tropical area. Okay, but the difference is that the requirement of water, or we can say requirement of rainfall for deciduous forest is much less than tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest के लिए rainfall at least 200 सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए, but for tropical deciduous forest rainfall should be less, इससे कुछ कम होना चाहिए. ओके, एंड ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट ये इंडिया के मोस्टली रीजन्स में है. रिक्वायरमेंट इज लेस देन 200 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ रेनफॉल, एंड ये इंडिया के काफी सारे रीजन्स में है. एंड वी कैन सी दैट देयर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स. इसमें कई तरीके के ट्रीज और प्लांट्स होते हैं, एंड generally we see the plants, these are of deciduous forest type. So for example we can say this is neem. You have seen these trees, neem, peepal, these are all tropical deciduous type. In your book, look at your book, you can see tropical deciduous forest, figure 6.4. In figure 6.4 you can see a picture of tropical deciduous forest. Okay, and different types of trees like शीशम, नील, शीशम भी होता है. ओके, teak. So there are different types of trees, and these are common. And we can say the most common forest in India is tropical deciduous forest, and beside India it is also found in different countries like location की बात करेंगे. Talking about location, this is northern Australia. ऑस्ट्रेलिया के नॉर्दर्न रीजन में, नॉर्दर्न Australia, and most of the part of India is covered by tropical deciduous forest. Most part of India, most part of India. So this is very common in India, northern Australia, and here we can also write Central America. सेंट्रल अमेरिका के रीजन में ये भी काफ़ी कॉमन है, सेंट्रल अमेरिका. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द एनिमल्स who are living in these forests. So these are also common animals like monkey. You can see in pictures. Pictures of these animals are given in the books. So these animals are tiger, lions, elephant, langurs, monkey. So these animals are also common. Okay, like monkeys, langur, different types. Okay, lions, deers. So different types of animals we see in these forests. And one thing here to note is that tropical deciduous forest में जो ट्रीज जो होते हैं, these are of both types, hardwood trees and softwood trees. लेकिन जो मोस्टली जो हार्डवुड टाइप के ट्रीज होते हैं वे ही इसमें डोमिनेंट रहते हैं. हार्डवुड type of trees are common in these tropical deciduous forest. Type of trees are common. Okay. So hardwood trees अगर common होंगे तो उससे क्या होगा? They are very useful for different purposes. Different purposes के लिए उनको use किया जाएगा. Like we can make furnitures. Okay, furnitures बना सकते हैं. Different types of building materials बना सकते हैं. Okay, अलग अलग जगह पे इनका अलग अलग यूज होता है. Like window, doors, furnitures, chairs, sofa set. Different types of materials can be made from these hardwood types of trees. Okay, so hardwood trees are very important for mankind. So these are quite dominant in India. And we have discussed about the vegetation and animal life in these, and most of the part of India is surrounded by these tropical deciduous forest. Now we will move to temperate forest. Temperate forest के बारे में अब डिस्कस करेंगे, because we have discussed about tropical rainforest and tropical deciduous forest. Now we will move to temperate rainforest and temperate deciduous forest. So first of all हम ये पहले अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि टेम्परेट एरियाज होते कौन से हैं. It is very important to understand what are temperate areas. We have discussed that tropical area lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. बीच का ये पूरा पार्ट ट्रॉपिकल एरिया कहलाता है. While the temperate area we'll understand with the help of map. So first of all we'll discuss कि what are the temperate regions, कि temperate regions क्या होते हैं. This is simply Earth. Okay. This is Earth, and we know that in the middle of Earth, this is 0 degree latitude, and this is called equator. Equator divides the Earth into two equal halves. This is called northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. These are poles. Okay. Value of latitude at poles is 90 degree north. So this is north pole, and here this is 90 degree south, and this is south pole. And we have also studied that this line value of this line is 23 degree and 30 minute north. This is called Tropic of Cancer. Name of this line is दिस लेटीट्यूड का नाम ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर है, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, एंड वी नो दैट दिस इज 23 डिग्री and 30 minute south. This is Tropic of Capricorn. This is Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. So now we know that the area between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is tropical region, and here there is another line. This is called Arctic Circle. In the north, it is called Arctic Circle. Value for this is 66 degree and 30 minute north. Okay. Name of this latitude is Arctic Circle. Okay. And the same value of latitude, but in south 66 degree and half. Here this is 66 degree and 30 minute south. This is called Antarctic Circle. This is Arctic and this is Antarctic. Antarctic Circle. And here these are poles, north pole, south poles. So the area between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in north, and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in south is called temperate region. I'll write down, this is temperate region. Okay, this is also temperate region. Temperate region, and all we know is that this area is tropical region. Okay, this is also tropical region. So this is tropical region, and this area is temperate region in the south as well as in the north as well as in south. Okay, so the deciduous forest or rainforest that are found in temperate region, these are called temperate rainforest or temperate evergreen forest, and the deciduous forest which are found in this area are called temperate deciduous forest. Okay, so we have discussed different regions, and now we will study the forest. Okay.